Nkwa ọma nọ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo asị nkachi tata bụ nkwọpụtara anyị ihe ọma ma kwọpụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na Oraifite NWA Adama anyị na-akpụ alụ. Abụ m onye isi mgbasa ozi na onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple dị na Oraifite na Anambra steeti. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Anyị na-agwazi m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo ifeọma ka m na-asị ya mebe ka anyị jere obodo ka anyị na-arụ obodo. Ifeọma ka anyị na-asị ka o mee. Agụgọ m ọfọ n'ụbọchị taa n'isi ndị enyi m niile, ndị niile na-eburu mgbe anyị ji alụ ọrụ na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala tempụl anọ na ndị niile kụrụ mba na ya bụ tempụl. Kọkwazi ọfọ n'isi ndị niile na-aga ọfọ for 21 days kwuru ka a na-aga. A sị na ọmaka ga-emere ụnụ. Agụgụ m ọfọ n'ụbọchị taa n'isi ndị niile na-awa ha na-echa vidiyo anyị ha tụsara ya ndị ọzọ. A sịrị m na ụnụ ga-adị ka echi maka na echi adịghị agwụ agwụ. Agọrọ m ọfọ si na nwoke ga-ebi nwaanyị ga-ebi. A sị m ihe anyị na-achọ n'uke enu ya gbaratara anyị n'oke ala. A sị m ihe ọma dị n'elu ya dara anyị na ọ dị n'ala ya pụoro anyị ome. A sị m na akakaka anyị ama anyị jijiji anyị ama anyị. A sị m na onye chụpụ anyị na ọ ga-ada. A sị m ihe anyị ga-eri bịa ihe ga-eri ya bịakwana. A sị m na anyị ga-asụ ka afịa na ya ma ana ka afịa. A sị m na onye ọ na-afụla anyị lụta nwa enwụ na anwụ n'ọzọ ga-anwụ. A sị m egbebelu ugobelu nke si bi ebe na ya gosi ya ebe ọ ya ebe. Ọ bụrụ na o gosiri ebe ọ ya ebe, a sị m kwukwa ya ihe nkwu. Ise. Abụ m onye nke gị n'ụbọchị taa na ihe ndị maka ịbịa n'isiokwu tata bụ nlọ dreams. Ihe ị kwesịrị ịma, what you should know about dreams, nlọ n'ọdịnala Igbo. Ihe ị kwesịrị ịma dịka onye ọdịnala bụ ihe bụ gịnị bụ nlọ. Anyị kọwacha ihe bụ nlọ, anyị kọwalụghị ka ọ kwesịrị ekwesị na mmadụ ga-ekwenye na nlọ. Kee ka mmadụ kwesịrị inwe spirit of discernment. Kedu ka ị ga-esi wee ma nke bụ ihe ngosi ị kwesịrị ịdabere na ya? Kedu nke bụ fiction? Kedu nke bụ ife melụnụ because of na negative energy? Achọrọ m ka anyị use language ya aghọta. O nwere nke melụnụ bụ due to negative energy, negative radiation. Nwere ike ime the kind of trend, the radiation that follows you might determine the type of radiation power that will always replay themselves, and more especially when you are asleep. Do you know why people normally have a kind of free movement in the dreams or when they are asleep? It's because the earthly clock, that is the earthly body, normally is heavier and denser. It weighs the spiritual spark that is in man, that is the spirit. That spirit is the core man. Naturally, spirits abroad are stuck in one place. But because of the density of the body, the earthly clock, then obviously the spirit. The earthly clock you choose to bear and wear on earth. Yes, the earthly body, but like a cloth, the spirit will body come and ye. And all because of that cloth but the body the real come and the spirit ye. batara na human spirit enwe ike ịnọ in the midst of man, gagharịa mee activities in this gross material. If not, the spirit will recall man cannot be trapped one place. You got that? Hmm. So the earthly body, boom, depending the how you build your lifestyle, how you purify the radiation your earthly body radiates, determine the aura that follows your earthly clock, that your earthly body. That's what we vibrate with the radiation of your spirit. By so doing, you will be able to radiate in totality the right radiation or negative radiation. Now, here you got a little bit of echo about spirituality is for you to understand what is really common and how the body and the soul radiate. Sometimes it's garbage in, garbage out. What you give out is what we play back. Example, we human beings have two brains, the frontal brain and the back brain. I want to use the simplest language so that we can the frontal brain and the back brain and the frontal brain. You understand? The frontal brain is kind of bigger, while the back brain is kind of smaller. Now, but what you should know is that if you understand how things work, the frontal brain is mainly for the intellectual aspect of man. All the like the computer processing unit. The frontal brain is where the man intelligence store, while the back brain is where the spiritual power of man is stored. Now, it's like photocopy of whatever you are passing through and what you are radiating is what will be stored either in frontal brain or in the back brain. And if your back brain is not picturing what is of pure volition, definitely what you will replay in the frontal brain when you are asleep will still flow in the same direction. If it's something of noble, it will flow along that line. If what is not of noble, it will still play when you are asleep. When you are asleep, what happens when you are sleeping is that your spirit is a little bit losing. You understand? From your body that normally stuck with sleep when you are fully awake. Now, for that reason, your spirit will be able to travel a little bit when you are asleep. That is why some people that are into astral travel, once you are sleeping, for the fact that the body losing the spirit a little, your spirit will start moving, be able to visit place to place when you are asleep. You know that, yeah? So that one, you must know that one first. Then, secondly, what you should know secondly is that if you understand how these things work, you see that reason why you are dreaming. You are dreaming because your body have already detached your spirit a little. So your spirit will be able to work in the night. Or in the sense of astral travel, your spirit will be able to move, astral movement. When we can visit some spiritual phase. Some people will be, their spirit might, during the astral travel, move to some certain kind of universe. Some will be telling you that they saw themselves in one place, maybe inside the river, very, and from there they move to a place that is very beautiful. So we tell you that they, on their own movement, they saw a big tree like Oji Iroko tree. Before you know it, his guide or her guide, the way they saw move inside, right inside the tree, and behold, he now saw himself in a well beautiful place, and so on. So such, some people will be telling sort of story and some of such abstract movements. You know what I mean? Hmm. But what I'm telling you, want to tell you that about dreams. Now, some people, their dreams are of pure volition, while some people, their dreams are just nonsense. You know what I mean? Mere body control negative radiations. Ụfọdụ nwere ike isi nri na alọ nlọ ịba in our local palace, nwere ike imejasị nri na alọ nlọ ịba, meaning that the dreams you are having is triggered by mere earthly body. It doesn't have the spiritual backing. In fact, to a layman understanding, it's not a vision. You understand? It's not a vision. So, and such dreams does not happen. Such dream is just mere exercise in fertility. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So, but there is some kind of dreams. But this kind of dream is not ordinary dream. This dream is kind of in trance. Somebody in blood bearer light. Maybe you feel a little bit asleep, just dozing off. Not even sleep, dozing off. You will now see something very clearly. And in my own case, it normally happens to me. I will be awake, a little bit doze off. I will now see a thing in trance. It might last like maybe 5 minutes. I will be able to show me in pictures of things that is going to happen, or maybe something that have passed. And they will tell me in those pictures, tell me that this is the exactly meaning why what happened the other time, or what is about to happen. That is the type I normally have. I do have dream once in a while, sometimes maybe once in a month or even so. But my dream is, once is dreams, I will remember it from beginning to the end, and it will happen that way. You understand? So, however, if there is any time once in a while, maybe I have a dream that I couldn't understand, that one will not happen, because that one is not coordinated. But that one, sometimes that one might happen maybe once in 2 or 3 or even 5 years. But on a very good dream, from beginning to the end, you understand it and it will happen. Or maybe you show me in trance. But don't worry, ndị bụ na everyday na ha ga-alọ nlọ, and nlọ ha enwero mbido, enwero nkwụta, nlọ ha enwero meaning. Nlọ ha is what ụfọdụ ga-egesi no arrant nonsense. Nlọ ha enwekwuru ike ime, and nlọ ha nọ ka isi na nkwụ wee fee n'ụkwa. Nlọ ha draw coordinated, and it will never happen. You know why? Sometimes the kind of friends you keep will necessitate the type of radiation you exhibit. Sometimes that's why I'm telling people, like, one day I will teach about sex for you to understand how this thing interconnected. Yes, the kind of friends you will be keeping, or that is why one of the reasons why it's not good to flirt. Yes, it's not good to flirt. Make sure you have a steady partner, a permanent partner you have sex with. But jumping from Elizabeth to Angela, from Angela to Ngozi is wrong. Interchange your radiation, or jumping from John to Emeka, from Emeka to Ifeanyi is wrong. It's not how to live life. This kind of life, we keep on interchanging your radiation, making you unstable in the spirituality. In the spirit, you are unstable. And it will make it difficult for you to progress in that manner. Now, if you are a man, you want to get married, to multiple wives. Do so if you so wish, and it's what you are longing for. No problem. But let your chi and the ancestors be aware that you are marrying multiple wives. In that case, they know how to handle your case. But marrying one officially while keeping 3, 4, 5 outside is totally wrong. Even in relationship, when you are jumping, sometimes it can bring negative aura around you, meaning negative energy, and be spoiling things for you. Therefore, in such case, you might be blaming your dibia, you might be blaming your uncle, you might be blaming people around you that they are the one that is not doing things right, or they are the one that is responsible for your challenges, but you are the one that caused it. Yes, one in the man. So, for you to be having pure volition, you need to desist or abandon impure act, because impure act contaminates your core person, the which is really you, and they bring negative energy then around you. Those negative energy will be playing out whenever even a good dream is showing you. It will be interchanging and interrupting it, making everything useless. You understand? And sometimes it makes you to even not understand the dire dreams. You understand? Yeah? So there is dreams that is pure messaging to you. And if you understand the meaning perfectly and walk in that direction, it will avert any negative thing. It will bring goodies. If the dream is about good coming to you, it will come to you in no distance time. If it's a bad, it's projected about to you. If you do some work to avert it, they will be averted. But when you are radiation you are exhibiting is so confusing and unstable, you will be in the spiritual realm, you will be a confused person. You understand? If you are someone, example, if you are someone that is dreaming, there are some people that their life is so confusing to the extent that they have intermingled with so many negative energy, to the extent that they dream every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, 365 days they are dreaming every day. Anytime he close his eyes, he dreams. And most of the times those dreams are useless. Sometimes such a person needs a kasayocho. Sometimes such a person needs to change his life pattern. Sometimes such a person needs iyuzube ncha ụchụ ma mmiri eji asụ ụchụ sapụ ụchụ. Sometimes the person needs to change his or her circle of friends, because remember, your radiation can be contaminated by the kind of friends you keep. Do you get? Yes. Again, nkwa nwere ike ime mmadụ ọ na-agbu ọ na-alọ nlọ abụrụ ya bụ the type of friends and lifestyle. Example, if you're a type that normally watch pornography, if you're a type that will always ask your boyfriend or your girlfriend to send nude pictures, if you're a type that normally watch pornography films, those things have a way of playing out when you are in dreams. Understand? So with those things will contaminate your inner thoughts and inner being. Therefore, whenever you are losing yourself a little bit in the sense of sleeping, they will start playing again out. You understand? So what I'm saying in essence is that you need to avoid negative lifestyle. Anything that will bring negative energy, you need to run away from such things, because keeping such things will keep on jeopardizing and contaminating the radiation that flows from you. By so doing, you will always execute negative energy. So the way you live your life contributes a lot massively to the type of dreams you have. So today, if you are so-called a dibia or an Eze-Ana or anybody at all, you want to develop your spiritual consciousness, start with purified lifestyle. Yes, stop jumping to contaminate your radiation, because when you do so, you will be in spiritual vibration. You are a confused person, and confused and unharmonized radiation will be flowing back to you. By so the no can able to you all again. By then anyway, it's not mad in a so remain coordinated. If you are married, remain married to your wife or wives. Now, if you are single, remain stable to your partner. Now, if for any reason you want to get married to more than wife as a man in Africa is allowed, you let your age and then more can hustle. Malo only they do with your wives is allowed. They will streamline it and harmonize it in spiritual. But if it's just for fun, and mind you, if you are in line to be successful and having platonic fun at the opposite direction, negative energy. Understand? If you want to be successful, then forget about fun and the platonic things. Understand? Platonic things cause distraction to the successful energy. That is the secret you don't know. That's why most successful people, if you want to remain successful, focus your energy and build more energy on things that swing upwards, not saying that things that downward energy, like platonic relationship and rest of them, nose diving. You understand? It's not for uplifting. You understand? So for that reason, if you are missing the two, onye bata na asị na ọ bụrụ na ị na-achọ ịbụrụ onye na-achọ ịga n'iru ejiri egwuregwu eme isikọta ọnụ, you must determine and focus. So ihe m na-achọ ịkọwalụ gị bụ na sometimes some people dey take dream so serious and at the same time their dream is nothing to write home about. You can only take your dreams so serious if your dream is a kind of message over time, and is your good lifestyle that will determine the type of message you will be receiving. So if you are one of those people that normally getting confusing dreams and messages through dream, you need to change your lifestyle. You need to change the type of friends and relationship you keep by so doing. And if it requires going for cleansing, you go for cleansing to wash yourself off negative energy so that you will start receiving a message in dreams from the light region. Ka m kwụsị ebe a. So ihe m na-ekwu bụ ọ bụrụ na ị na-enweta dream, try to check the kind of dream you are getting. So you know whether your dreams you are getting is in line. Is this dreams that is working, or is dreams that is confusing? Maybe negative energy will use your dream to come and castigate your uncle or tell you that somebody is pursuing you. But in a real sense, it's not something that is really pursuing you. It's the phantoms you created for yourself that is pursuing you. Now, if it's clear messages, maybe you are seeing yourself in the villages, or masquerade is pursuing you, or you are seeing snake or AK in their dreams. It could be that there is entities that want you to pay attention to them and do the needful for your own good. Understand? Then you have to build yourself and refine the type of life you are living, so that any dream you have will be a kind of serious message and what you will not joke with. If you have any question on what I just said today about dreams, or what I have said in the previous messages or teachings, or what is confusing you in Odinana Igbo, send the message now on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. Aka m bụ Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na Oraifite. Agazie.